Welcome, and follow me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 4X, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before you get started, you will need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right here, and you will use it to push out the tray located on the left side of the device, like this. Once you take it out, you will have the back of it, so you want to flip it over. And from here you can put in the SIM in here, like this, and the SD card, like this. And then you can push it back in. Now mind you, can also put another SIM instead of the SD card. Mind you, it's gonna be just a smaller one, so without like the red part in my case, and it will just go in like this part right here. So once you have this ready, all you need to do is just slide it back in. So I'm gonna hold it back like it is and flip over the device like this, so I can actually slide it in here. Okay. And you can see that there is already service from the card, and there is also the SD card. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.